Hey everyone, welcome to campkins.com. We're going to show you one of our most popular trailers here. This is the 2022 Avenger LT 16BH, a little 3,000 pound bunk model with air conditioning, heat, hot, cold water. Just a great little trailer to be pulling behind that smaller tow vehicle. So you can see here you got some nice new graphics on the front for 2022. Nice blue stripe, gives it that extra kind of race car look. You've got an electric awning with the LED lights, exterior speakers. You've got a dog tie, you've got a place to open up a bottle as well on the front. So you've got all the features of a larger trailer, but in a smaller package. Let's go inside and have a look. Here in the front, you can see you've got your sideways queen bed, which is great for having lots of space around it. There's no cabinets kind of closing you in. You've got a window there, so it feels nice and open. Then you've got some good storage up top. Then you've got a good sized dinette. So when you're going in these little single axle trailers, I want to give you a little tip. Take a look at how wide the dinette is, because that'll tell you how wide the trailer is. This one here is wider than most, and you can actually seat 4 people around it. And the reason why is because this trailer is 7.5 feet wide. So with that extra width, it just gives you a little bit more space. You can see here you've got storage cabinets up above the window, as well as a TV backer there. That's where you would put your TV. Then in the bunks, you can see you've got a window in the lower bunk, and then you've got a skylight in the upper bunk. So that gives you nice bright space in those bunk areas. Great sized washroom with lots of room around the toilet. You've got a great shower pan there and surround, which is really, really nice, and a vent up above so you can get rid of the steam when you're having that shower. Then you've got this great big 10.5 cubic foot fridge, which is 12 volt. So that goes right there. And then you've got your freezer up above as well. Some drawers. A lot of these trailers don't have drawers, but this one has 2 nice drawers there. You've got your cooktop. You've got your microwave with the vent about outside the trailer. You can see here you've got your Furrion soundbar, some more cabinet space, good countertop space, and a little bit more storage. And then all your switches and your controls are all in one space right here by the door. So this is just a great little trailer, still a great value. We've sold so many of these, so many people are very, very happy with them, and we'd love you to come out and see them. This is the 2022 Avenger 16BH LT, available now at Campkins. We say it's worth the hurdle to Myrtle, which is just north of Whitby on Highway 12. So come on out and help us help you make your RV dreams come true.